What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2025 Sinister Strawman. So this guy is basically just another Mr. Dark reskin, but its scares are always so effective in the haunt. I had to get another one because, well, you need stuff that people like, and I do this a lot. And I've done this in the past actually. If people like, it doesn't matter how much I love an animatronic. If it does not get good outcomes, like if nobody's like, oh, I like that one, I won't. I'll either not put it out or I'll sell it even. So. Yeah. This really does feel like deja vu. Like, I've done this like 4 times now, including this one with the other animatronics like Mr. Dark. So here is that, oh, okay, maybe. So yeah, this is the big piece that, like the big scissor mechanism, so springs obviously, and then that goes way up there. So I just got the head and all that out. This looks incredible. This is really freaking cool. It doesn't feel a ton heavier than the other ones, but I think it does have a little more weight to it, so that could be why it doesn't jump up as fast. All right, guys, so here is the back.
What a good boy!
Back piece of the base. This is what pushes it up. Well, this is actually what retracts it down and releases it. Now this thing is actually taller than Mr. Dark by a little bit, and Mr. Dark kind of got close to the ceilings, so hoping will be good. All right, guys, and then the last 2 pieces, we have the front part of the base and the adapter. That is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. Set up. Let's plug him in for the first time. Just kidding. I plugged him in before and he messed up.
As the midnight hour approaches, my tension builds inside me. Now you see what I'm capable of. So, beware and keep out of my presence, for I may take out my aggressions on you next time. You're trespassing on hallowed ground. Not everyone who does gets to live to tell about it. Those will not stay around after this. Just like you, they flee when I rise, and they won't be coming back for long.
Alright guys, so that was Sinister Strawman from Spirit Halloween. First off, Harlow, what do you think?
Oh, he was great.
Alright, I think this guy is great. He has some really good details on his face. I think he looks really good. I'm very happy that he has 3 phrases instead of Mr. Dark, Towery Tallulah, and Hellspawn both only had 1 phrase. But I think it's because this guy really speaks, you know? He actually has some things to say. I like his phrases. I think they're pretty cool. I think it'll definitely maybe freak children out. I mean, it's kind of stupid how he says, what does he say? Like,
He was like, all that are dead don't get to live to tell the tale.
you know, like, I mean, nobody gets to live to tell that, obviously. But I think he's cool. I wish he had an IR sensor, because this one you actually have to get in front of it and like, or like have light around it. Kind of sucks. But it had a better sensor. This guy's $329 on Spirit Halloween's website. You can use a 20% off coupon, but make sure you have them from years past because they stopped making those. That'll get him down to about $260. That's what I paid. And I think $260 is definitely worth it if you want him. I think he'll last for sure. His quality's pretty good. Just make sure you have some weights on him and keep his clothing good, because in the last demo we did, he almost fell. But yeah, I say go ahead if you want him, but definitely get the 20% off coupon, because $329, I wouldn't want to pay for that. All right, guys, I will leave a link in the description if you'd like to purchase him. I'll also leave a link to my merch. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, as that helps the channel greatly against YouTube algorithm. Other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.